Welcome back everyone. So how you can create system restore point. So how we can do that? Okay. So first of all, open the settings. Open the settings, and when you open the settings, you can click systems option. Okay. Slide down little bit and you can see the about option. Click on about option. When you click on about option, you can see the domain or work group. Okay. The domain or work group. Click on domain or work group. When you click on domain or workgroup, also you can click on advanced settings, advanced system settings. When you click advanced system settings, you can see here we have some settings. Okay, here we can see the startup and recovery. Okay, click on settings, and also you can see this is the option we are talking about. Okay, so we have to click on create. Okay, so when we click on create, it will create a restore point. What type of name you want to give? I'll say fresh fresh system. Okay, fresh system, and create it. It will take a little bit time and it going to be create a restore point of your Windows operating systems. Okay, the restore point was created successfully, you can see. Okay, and close, and I can show you the restore point if you want to, and you click on configure system restore, and you can see the restore point that we have just created, 612. Okay, so this is the fresh system. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching this video, and subscribe this channel please.